welcome to my channel. And my name is Ella. I'm going to show you a surprise Halloween. Come on.
Oh, a painting.
So that's me. That's me, and I'm actually a ghost. And that's Miko, and he's actually a pumpkin.
Oh, okay.
So that's my hair with star hair, and there was a black thing up here. So actually, I'm gonna put this up here.
Okay, let's show us another one. Okay. You
Okay.
have another one?
Okay, wait. Wait, I will show you. I'll show you the other one. It's like this.
Okay.
Now I can show you.
The other one.
This is
Oh.
a spider with a spider web. And actually, I'm going to say something up here. And
Oh. And the orange too?
yeah.
Those are beautiful. Thank you. We'll subscribe
I
to
think
channel.
I can put it over there.
Okay, you finish all? What do you want to say for your friends?
Yeah. Hi, and guys, next time you watch this episode.
Bye.
Bye.